In today's video, I am going to teach you how to test a Stripe payment link. Start by making sure you are already signed into your Stripe dashboard and working in the correct Stripe account. This is important if you manage more than one account because you want your test payment to appear in the right place. Next, switch your dashboard to the sandbox environment that you want to use for testing. Before you continue, check the top of the dashboard and confirm that you are definitely in the sandbox and not in live mode. This helps you avoid creating a real charge by mistake. Once you are in the correct testing environment, go to the left side menu and click Payment Links. From there, open an existing payment link that you want to test. If you do not already have one, create a new payment link and finish its setup before moving on. When the payment link details page opens, open the link itself in a new browser tab. This will take you to the checkout page that your customers would normally see. Take a moment to review the page carefully. Check that the product name, price, currency, and any other payment details are correct. Now enter the customer information required by the checkout form. This may include a name or billing details depending on how the payment link is configured. For the payment method, use Stripe's standard successful test Visa card number, 4242, 4242. Then enter any valid future expiration date. After that, enter any valid 3-digit CVC. If the checkout form asks for a zip code or postal code, enter one there as well. When all the details are filled in, click Pay or Subscribe, depending on the type of payment link you are testing. Wait a moment while Stripe processes the test transaction. You should then see the confirmation page, which tells you the checkout was completed successfully. After that, go back to your Stripe dashboard and make sure you are still in the same sandbox environment. Open the Transactions section, then go into Payments. Find the payment you just created and open it to view the full details. On the Payment Details page, confirm that the status shows as successful and that the payment matches the payment link you tested. If everything looks correct, your Stripe payment link has been tested successfully, and the test payment is now visible in your sandbox. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.